What's up guys, hope you're doing well today. I'm here to test out some crazy things with the Insta360 ONE X2, the Insta360 GO 2 and both cameras on my 5-inch FPV quads. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I want to try it. First of all, I want to thank Insta360 for the cameras and all the accessories to test with my FPV. They sent me this helmet mount. This can be really great, and this is the most scariest one because I plan to put it like that in the front of my FPV quads. Maybe like that, I will see, but this one is the most scariest one for me because I don't know how the quad is gonna react with the weight of the camera in the front. Then I got this cage from SmallRig that you can buy on the Insta360 website. It's really great to protect your camera and you can attach it different ways. You can use the ONE X2 as a Steadicam. So my plan is to attach it like this and like this. For the GO 2, I got this. What I plan to do is to attach this with some strap in the bottom of my quad to do like some top-down shot with my FPV. Then you have this typical mount for FPV. I think it's included with the GO 2, I'm not sure. I just want to do some really creative shots with the GO 2 because, you know, this camera is so tiny, so... Yeah, it's another day. Last time when I went here to test out all of this, I started by testing out the unicorn mount like this on top of my quad, and it was definitely too much weight for it because the mount was going down and down again, so I had to disarm and crash, and it literally broke all my TPU here, so I needed to wait for a friend to bring me another one. After that, I tried to put it this way. It was a bit better at the beginning, but the motors were doing a weird noise, so I had to disarm again. By chance, I had this case from SmallRig to protect the camera during my test. Nothing happened to the ONE X2. Today, I'm gonna just mount it on top of this and like a Steadicam like that. I'm gonna just keep the unicorn mount because it can be great if you want to film somebody who is doing like parachute, skiing, surfing, motorcycle. You can attach this everywhere, but for 5-inch it's clearly too much, and I think for 7-inch or more bigger quad it can be great and it works because I already saw some videos about that, but for 5-inch it's definitely too much weight. Now let's try something different, guys. GO 2, I attach it like this with some zip ties. This between the frame and the GO 2 to remove the jello. Some tape here to not lose the camera between the flight. And I'm gonna put the camera in different way because as you can see, you can move it. The thing that I ask myself is how I'm gonna take off with this or like this. So now I think it's time for the last test. The ONE X2 on top, the GO 2 here. I'm clearly not sure if this is gonna work or not, but let's try it. It was so fun to record this video, guys. Thanks for watching, I hope you have enjoyed it. By the way, you can find two different links in description for the ONE X2 and the GO 2. The point of this video was not to make the craziest FPV cinematic video ever, just to take some creative footage with those two cameras. Thanks again to Insta360 for the ONE X2, the GO 2, and I really love the GO 2 because you can really do some crazy thing with it. I think I'm gonna have some jello on the footage because I don't have any filters, but with filters it can be much better, I guess. By the way, I'm gonna do more vlogs now because I miss doing that and it's the thing that I love the most, making vlogs. So I'm gonna be back at vlogging more. Thanks again for being here, guys. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to support my channel, and hit that bell to receive a notification for my next video. Thank you, wish you a great day, great night, and thanks again for watching. See you soon. Salut!